Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just went to the McDonald's to buy the BTS Happy Meal, and it has like different toys as you see of different members. There's RM, Jin, Sing, Saga, J-Hope, B, Jimin, and Juku. Another edition called the Throwback Edition. Well, from the McDonald's, I just want to buy the toy, but they don't allow me. They say I have to buy the Happy Meal to get the toy with it. So let's see what it is. Well, from this McDonald's, I think the worker told me there's only B, but actually that's not actually my favorite character in BTS, so I'm so lucky. Let's see. I'm gonna open this up. So excited. So I got the chicken McNugget meal. It's just 4 of them. And also there's French fries, the usual. There's no like official BTS wrapping on it like from the previous promotion that was like free 4 years ago. This one is just a toy from the BTS, which is this one. And I think that it's just a regular honey mustard sauce. And look at this one. Ta-da! I think if you go to different McDonald's, you can collect different characters. This one is the MetroTown McDonald's that I went to, and these are the characters, you see? Open this up. Oh my god! Wow, that looks so cool. Look at this one. Oops. Can you see it? I think at the back there's a hole. I don't know what is it for. Looks pretty cute to me. And also there's a car. B. The height, hair, and the eyes, and also it has personality and strength. Which character you like most from BTS? Please comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye!